This phone has got it all, and honestly, I'm kinda shocked. Yes, at just $299, dual flagship level performance with multi-core score close to the performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, insane beyond to a 6000 mAh, got it all for just $299. Welcome POCO X7. Let's begin with unboxing. It's kinda crazy that budget phones continue to give more value than flagships as we get a full experience out of the box. We get a 90-watt fast charger, a protective case, USB-C charging cable, SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. Of course, the star of the show is the new POCO X1 Pro in this dual one. We have a leather pattern on the back, giving it a more of a premium feel. It feels comfortable in the hand thanks to those rounded corners. I also like the fact that the dual camera lenses have this yellow outer button. We also surprisingly got an IR blaster on the top of this phone, something we don't even see on most phones on the market. Now the design is looking over the performance thanks to the incredible optimization and efficiency balance. If you look at the Geekbench 5 score, it's got a pretty decent single core score, but most surprising is the multi-core score, which is almost around the same level as the Galaxy S24 Ultra with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Again, really insane. In terms of the real-life general performance, it's pretty good, very smooth animations. Thanks to constant 120Hz, it really does feel like a flagship experience. You can also play pretty much most games on high settings with smooth gameplay performance. For example, PUBG, it can run on full max settings at 90 frames per second, which is pretty impressive. You also get Wild Boost Optimization 3.0, which gives you the most complete gaming experience. With Wild Boost 3.0, you can get 20% better connection stability and 30% better signal output area during a gaming session, making sure that you have a lag-free game on with this, as well as you get access to Gemini Live. Along with this, you get a ton of exciting AI features. For example, AI Summary, which can quickly summarize any long paragraph into key points. You also get AI Translate that can automatically translate and detect the language into any language that you want and objects or people from your AI features you need on the daily basis. Again, for the price, this is the kind of deal we usually see at like $500 to $600 range. So you might be questioning, how is this possible? Well, first up, device does have some pre-installed apps, but it's really not an issue at all, as really fast is the 90-watt fast charging along with the bonkers 6000 mAh. It's still a really slim device despite having that big battery size that even surpasses the $1000 flagships. Now, what about the camera performance? Well, we have an interesting setup on the back. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel f1.5 lens, along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 20 megapixel front. The surprising thing for me was when you shoot 4K 60 FPS video on this phone. I have comparable to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now this one also pretty decent. I like the fact that they went heavy with the main sensor because that's the one that does pretty much all the good stuff you need. This camera performance at this price back in the days. Great flagship level performance for most user scenarios. To see the benchmark this phone has set at this price, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said,